Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a real quick tutorial on how to replace your push button diverter in your shower system. Mine is in the manifold, sometimes they're down here in the spout. Make sure you get the right diverter for the right application, otherwise it's not going to work. The second thing is shut the main water line off to your house just in case you break a pipe while you're replacing it. It'll save yourself a big headache and a big mess in case that does happen. The third thing is, this is a really simple, easy job. It requires two tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a 7/8 deep socket. First thing you're going to want to do is take off this cap, and behind this cap is a Phillips screwdriver. It's a real simple thing to do. You just pop it off. Just like that. And then behind it is, like I said, your Phillips screwdriver, or I'm sorry, your Phillips head. So you see we've got the faceplate off now, and we have exposed the manifold in the system. Here's the push button diverter. A little bit of water pressure in the system, so be cognizant of that. There we go. Couple turns, and there you have it. So I've taken the old diverter out, and you can see that there's a small pin there, and the diverter itself is obviously missing, and the diverter is what diverts the water from the shower head down to the faucet head. Here's the new one. Like I said before, you can tell that it's a very weak part of the system. It is still very flimsy even though it's brand new, but it's not held on by much, just that small pin. So I've got the diverter out. Here's the old one. It looks like it's in great shape, doesn't it? But I don't know if you can tell or see, but it's actually split. You see that split? So even when it's on the pin, it's still going to come off with all that water pressure. It's going to create a twist. When it creates a twist, that crack opens up and it comes off the pin, therefore not allowing it to divert the water properly. So I struggled with this last time. There we are. Don't want to go too tight with the torque, but enough that it gets locked on. So if I've done everything right and replaced the push diverter valve right, we're going to give it a test, see if it works. Okay, that's what we want. Before I replaced it, we didn't ever get water out of the faucet. We've got water coming out of the faucet, and then if I push and hold the diverter, it should stop. Hold, come out of the shower head just like it's doing. And then when we turn the water off, diverter valve pops out, water comes out of the faucet, water's off. That's how you replace the push button diverter in this system, in the setup.